Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check saved Safari passwords on iPhone. So just tap on phone settings and scroll down to find passwords. So here you will see the icon of passwords. So just tap on it to see your saved passwords. So here you will just click on your Face ID and log into these passwords. So after inside I will just type a return passcode due to not login. So here you will find in these passwords of your Safari websites. So right now I don't save on Safari websites auto save password, but if you saved it, so you can just find in these passwords easily. So it's very easy to find your saved websites password on this phone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.